Hello, this is Mr. Guevara here. I'll just go through with you very quickly how we could create our own spot the difference using PowerPoint presentation. So here we are. On the first page, you've got these 9 steps that we're going to try and do. So number 1 says copy an image from slides 2, 3 or 4 with the right click and choose it with the left click. So here's page number 2, or slide number 2 rather. We've got lots of sweets and fantastic cookies, yum. Number 3, we've got lots of animals, and 4, we have got lovely fruit and vegetables. Okay, so to select one, let's just say we want a carrot. I'm going to choose the right click button, go over it and right click. You've come up with this menu here, so we want to copy it. So now go over copy and then left click copy. Okay, and then we want to paste the image. Number 2 says paste the image in the left hand box. So let's go to one of these boxes here. There's 1, 2, 3 boxes that we could choose from, or slides rather. So I'm going to choose this one. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's number 5. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. When it's pasted, it's all here. We can just click and drag it to where we want to go. So left click, hold it down and drag it all the way through. And then we repeat the process with different things. So I might want to choose an animal. Okay, right click. Sometimes you'll get this here, because if you right click and move it around, it will say, do you want to move it here, copy or cancel. So try to be very careful when you're right clicking the mouse. Just right click it without moving the picture. And then copy, and then go to where we were, right click, paste. Okay, you can position, maybe I haven't eaten it, yum. Okay, right, so I'm going to do a few more, and let's see what kind of things I produce. Off we go. Okay, and once you've done that, this is the picture that I want to create. So we want to create the same picture over in this box here, and we want to make sure that we can change it. So I'm going to put up here, let's spot 2 differences. You can change it. You know what, I'm going to change that. I'm going to change it to, so if I left click into the box here, I can delete it, or if I go here, I can press the backspace and that just takes it away. And then we can change it. I'm going to say spot 3 differences. Alright. Okay, so here we are. Step number 5. It says highlight the picture you've created and copy. Right, this is what we do. Inside this box here, if you hold down the left click button and then you start to drag the mouse across, you can see it's making a little box here. So I want to make sure that the box fills all of this up that I want to copy, and when I let go, they've all been highlighted. So now what we need to do is a right click, choose copy. Oh look, I've made a little bit of a mistake. If that happens, this is what you can do. At the top here you'll see this button here, that's is an undo button. If you click this, look what happens, goes back. Okay, so whenever you make a mistake, you want to go back a little bit further, just click this undo button. If you're happy with how it was before, you can redo, but I am not, so I'm going to click undo and it takes you back to where I was before after I copied these all. So once again, I'll show you how we drag, click, left click, drag, highlight all of these pictures. Now we're going to right click and we are going to copy all the way up here, copy, and once it's copied it down, you right click again and it says paste. When we paste it, it looks a bit crazy. It's like, oh no, what have I done? But what you're gonna have to do now is left click when you see the up down arrows, left right arrows here. So here's a cursor and then it moves on. There's the arrows. Left click, hold it down, and you can move it all the way across. Alright, and then you've got the exact same picture. Now I said I'm going to spot 3 differences, so we can change it. Now I think I'm going to change the apple, I might change the carrot, and I'll change the spider. So let's find where I put the apples. Here we are. You know what, I'm going to have a bag of 5 apples. So copy, and then we're going to paste it. Right click, paste, click and drag, and there's one difference. You can position it over it. Good, so that's one difference that I've made. Let's make another difference with the carrots. Okay, so we'll look for the fruits and vegetables. Maybe I'll have, how many carrots were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to choose 4 carrots. Oh, you know what? I'm going to change it into bananas instead. Yeah. So copy, and then right click, paste, click and drag. Alright, this is in the way. So I'm going to put bananas here for the meantime. Oop, I moved them out of the way, so I'm going to go back. There we go. Got it. Now I'm going to replace those bananas, or that carrot with bananas. Right, to get rid of the carrot, if you left click to highlight it and push backspace, it deletes it for you. Okay, what else I said I was going to change? Was it the spider? I think it was a spider. Instead of a spider, I think I'll have an ant. Yes, right click, copy, and then you can left click, take it away by backspacing it, and then right click, paste. It was about there. Okay, there's my first spot the difference, with 3 differences to spot. You have a go at doing that. You might want to have a go at having some fun with Mr. Guevara's face even. Right, I'm going to go through the process really quickly for you, and then you can see if you could spot the difference. Here I go. Okay, so here we are. I've made my picture. I've made myself even more beautiful than I already am. So we're going to do the same thing with dragging. We're going to copy this. We're going to copy this. Right click, copy, and then right click, paste. Alright, with everything that's already highlighted, I'm just going to left click and drag it over so that the boxes matches up on here. Perfect. Okay, I've got identical pictures, so I'm going to say spot 4 differences. Okay, I'm going to change it, and then you can have a go at doing that yourself. Alright. Okay, so I've done some copying and pasting, and I've changed 4 things. Enjoy doing this. I hope you have fun, and get your parents to play as well. Alright, enjoy creating your own Spot the Difference.